Some boats sit at the dock waiting for an occasion. The Sunreef Ultima 88 starts the morning before the marina wakes up, built in Gdansk for owners who plan their week around weather, not weekdays. This is a power cat that opens up the days you used to drive past. Past the inlet by sunrise, twin diesels under your right hand, 15 knots cruising, blue water ahead. You're across the Gulf Stream, while the next boat is still loading coolers. The cat stays flat in a chop. Coffee doesn't spill. The flybridge gives you the view you actually paid for. Drop anchor in 8 feet of water where the deeper boats can't reach. The bulwarks fold down. Aft deck becomes a beach club at the swim platform. The tender drops. The foredeck stays shaded. You're in the water in under 5 minutes. Run the Exumas without watching the bottom. Pull into Compass Cay, then Staniel, then a sandbar nobody knows about. Fish off the foredeck or roll out the sunpads at the bow lounge. The master suite has floor-to-ceiling glass and a sauna behind the headboard. The galley faces the horizon, not the marina parking lot. This isn't a boat you visit for the weekend. It's a boat you live on for a month, drop anchor where the chart says you can't, and call somewhere new home every Sunday night. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.